Assalamu alaikum adab. In the journey of Zamana Mughal, the fountain of justice. Now we are standing on the top of the Buland Darwaza. This is the platform, and you can see there. This is the Buland Darwaza, the highest gate of the world. It also known as the lofty gate and the magnificence. It is made by the Akbar. In the second half of the 16th century, Akbar shifted their capital from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri and make a Buland Darwaza over the victory of Deccan or Dandes, which is previously known as Khandes. The Buland Darwaza, which is made of the red and yellow buff sandstone, and it is situated near the Agra. It's about 40 kilometers. And you can see it is height is about 176 feet and arch is 90 feet. But most important thing is that the work on this Buland Darwaza, you can see the arch of the Buland Darwaza is covered by the inscription of the Quranic verses, Quranic Surah. The Quranic Surah number 39, the verse number 73 to 75. And the Quranic Surah number 41, the verse number 51 to 54 and 30 to 31, which is inscription here. But most important thing is that who is the calligrapher of these inscriptions. The calligrapher of this inscription is Hussain bin Ahmad al-Chishti. Another important thing is that you can see the signature of the calligrapher in the eastern side of the Buland Darwaza, but you can see an empty slide here, which is nothing is mentioned is that. So what was the mind of the calligrapher? What was the want to write here, which is not present right now? The calligrapher mentioned his name. Below this inscription, I want to show you the signature of this calligrapher. The inscription is starting from the eastern side of this arch, and below this inscription, Hussain bin Ahmad al-Chishti mentioned their name in this togra. This is a Tulut types of inscription, a Tulut type of the calligraphy. But most important thing is that the Buland Darwaza is not completed. You can see the work of the inlay work, which is red and black and white sandstone, black and white marble stone is not going on the top. Inscription mentioned there in the Tulut Togra form. In this surah, you can see the name of Allah, name of Muhammad, the name of Ali, name of Usman, name of Abu Bakr, Umar, Hussein and Hassan. Of the Buland Darwaza, the eastern side of the gate, you can see another inscription here. It is Persian and Arabic prose. In this Persian prose, mention His Majesty the Emperor, who has the heavenly sphere as his core, the shadow of the god Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, Badshah, conquered the country of the Deccan and Dandes, which previously was called the Khandes, in the Ilahi year 46, corresponding to the year 1010. In the second line is mentioned the having the reach of Fatehpur Sikri, which he set out for Agra as long as the name of the heaven and earth exists, as long as the pictures of existence is in the world. May his name be created together with the sphere. May his person be connected with the eternal world. In the third line mentioned, which is very important and showing the vision of the Akbar, the Jesus, peace be upon him, has said, the world is a bridge, pass over it and do not inhabit it. In the tradition, he who think that he will live tomorrow, think he will live eternally. The world is only a moment, and utilize it is devotion. What remains of life, there is no value for.